We earned $1,380 today. Go up, up, up. Yeah, nice. Yeah, another confident win. Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an awesome Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams, and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I will tell you about one of the most powerful pocket option strategies. We will use two indicators to get massive profits. So we go to the trading platform I use pocket option and I will use the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 1 minute. Execution time also 1 minute. In the indicators tab, select moving average and stochastic. For moving average, set period to 50 and leave default settings for stochastic. First of all, we need to define trend. We always follow trend, and if the trend is bullish, we wait for stochastic to cross the sign line in the oversold zone and enter the call position. If the trend is bearish, we open put position when stochastic crosses its sign line in the overbought zone. So we are all set and let's move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now, and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Okay, we have a bullish trend here. Stochastic crossed its sign line and I will enter the call position after this candle. Yeah, I enter. Five seconds left. Oh no, we're losing. No, go up, up, up. Nice! This trade was really close to losing, but we got $460 net profit. Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Here we have a bearish trend. I'm waiting for stochastic to cross its sign line. Okay, it's crossed. I'm entering with the next candle. Yeah, enter. Few seconds left and this trade is really confident. Yeah, nice! We got $460. Okay, here the bullish trend and stochastic crossed. I'm waiting for the next candle to open the call position. Oh no, I missed the moment a little bit. Should be fine, I hope. And yeah, another confident win, another $460 for my balance. Nice. Today I showed you a very simple and effective strategy that will suit even beginners. We earned $1,380 today. Really good result. So for today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye bye.